Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing two premium accessories from Pitaka, the Sunset Moonrise iPhone 16 Pro Max case and the 100% carbon fiber Apple Watch band. First up, the iPhone 16 Pro Max case. Right out of the box, this feels extremely premium. It's crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, giving it that super sleek and modern carbon look. Pitaka blended it with TPU material, offering military-grade protection from drop and impacts. It's MagSafe compatible, so wireless charging is no issue. The elevated bezels around the camera and screen add that extra layer of protection, and just look at the Sunset Moonrise finish, elegant style and definitely built to stand out. The iPhone case comes in at around 35.5 grams. Now let's move on the watch strap. This is Pitaka's carbon fiber watch band and it's honestly unlikely anything I have seen before. The links are made from rare 1K carbon fiber, which makes it lightweight yet incredibly strong. It sports all Apple Watch models from Series 1 to 10, including Special Edition and Ultra 2. The length is adjustable and it features a patented magnetic clasp, super secure and really easy to put on and take off. It blends both modern and retro aesthetics, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their Apple Watch style. The watch strap is about 32 grams combined. You are only carrying 66.9 grams of gear, incredibly light considering the premium protection and materials used in both products. They feel strong yet comfortable without adding any bulk to your daily use. Both these accessories offer top-tier design and protection. If you are someone who value durability, aesthetics, and cutting-edge materials, then Pitaka definitely have something for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing and tech content. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.